Hey everybody, Brian here for quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you two very quick snippets of using its back TradeLink. There might be some confusion on why all these trading systems I'm looking at. I'm coming down to the wire on what I'm going to be using in this next generation of automated trading systems, components, applications, whatever you want to call them. I'll do a whole little document on it, sort of like a architectural point of view. Anyways, these two videos are not really important. I'm not sure if TradeLink is still important or not. It's an open source trading platform back in the day, about 4 or 5 years ago, using .NET. They came out with another product called Glean. They went commercial, and a guy on GitHub pretty well put up a place where you can maintain the software for TradeLink, and it does build. I did verify that. I show that in one of these videos. I'm also showing a way you can use one of the utilities in TradeLink to be able to import data from Yahoo Finance. I think it's end of the day. It's a good little application. You could probably do some stuff with it, but again, I'm not sure if it's still valid and being able to connect into all the major brokers and data providers like IQFeed and Interactive Brokers that I've done before. So I'll talk a little bit more about TradeLink in an upcoming video on the documentation of the architecture. I'm looking at this system. But for now, I just wanted to put that out there and just let people know that it is an option. Where I see TradeLink will be useful is for basically automated back testing. It's got some pretty good utilities in it for that sort of functionality, and this whole system is open source. Some parts of it still work. You can build it, as you'll see in this video. All right, hoping this is going to help out those that want to use TradeLink still in the era of 2015. It still probably has some use for .NET and Windows users. Talk to you later. Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to build an older version or a legacy version of TradeLink. Just come to this URL here on GitHub, and what you can do is, actually I got some instructions here. It's pretty simple. You just follow the instructions here under the README at the bottom, all the way down here. So in your Visual Studio, I'm using Visual Studio 2013 Ultimate. What you need to do is you need to install your prerequisites of obviously .NET Framework 3, your NUnit for anybody who's new to Visual Studio. It's pretty simple. You just come under here, go under Package Manager, and I think it's this one you pick off. Just type in your package NUnit, and it'll give you the library, and you just go install, just like that. Simple. And that will enable you to build out the project, but do realize you will get some errors, but you don't have to be too worried about it. You just build here. I go build or rebuild, whatever, and your mode of debug or release. But like I was saying, you will have 27 projects that will succeed and 5 will fail. The ones that fail are typically brokers that you don't really care about. TD Server Main, Server Sterling. So you don't have to really worry about them. If you're really, you can just delete them from your, you can just delete them from this project list here. Let me just see here. But you can just click on and just remove simple stuff. All right, so we do have EXEs built. Let me just show you here. So what will happen is you'll have your different applications, ASP, Kadena, Gauntlet. It's going to bin, and depending upon your mode, you typically want to be able to run it. You have to build it in release mode, so you can build your applications or play around with the files and get everything working from this to build out your trade link. Hopefully that'll help you out. So I'm going to show you how to use daily Yahoo financial data. What you need to do is you need to start your tick converter. So when you build it, basically what you're going to do is you're going to run tick converter, bin release, run it. And what you can do is you can use your source, Yahoo data, so convert will come and ask for your data. So let's say Apple, Apple and Google. So you'll get some messages here where it creates the files, and these are the directories they're in. So usually it's under your user, and then app data local trade links ticks. So in this case I've got 2 new files. Let me just see if I can I think where's my WordPad? That should do fine. Nope. Well, at the end of the day, it says it's completed download. It's got how many records? 237 bars, 1258 bars. Sometimes it just depends. I think it's end of day data. To look at it, what you could do is you could, I think, go under time and sales. Is a good application to see that. So let's see, time and sales. Where's my little exe here? So we have a bunch of tick files. So in this case, I'm going to navigate to that folder, the app data folder, app data local, that's generated from the tick converter. So we use a different subset. Nope, and here. So time and sales. Okay, so I'm going to load up the Google, and here's the entire set. Okay, so that's just one example of how to do that. I guess this was for today's March 5th, so I included that March 5th, so 573. So that's how you can acquire data within TradeLink.